I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I want to tell you about a class that we're offering. It's called Daydreamer. This is my Daydreamer pattern, and it's a fun one that you make with a package of 10-inch squares. You hear them called layer cakes. That's United Notions MODA name for it. They were the first ones to come up with the idea, but lots of companies are making them now. So you just buy a package of these 10-inch squares, and there's a whole variety of pieces in there from the line. So you can make, so all the stars will be different. And it's so fun because you pick out one 10-inch square for your background and one for the center star. You can see there's some diagonal prints here, which I've got diagonal prints in my package. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that so they all go the same direction. And then you pick out some pretty ones for these open spaces. I call them free spots, kind of like bingo, but you don't have to sew anything there. So that's fun to do. Then it has this neat thing that's going on with the sashing where it kind of curves its way down. So that's a lot of fun and easier to do than you might think. So come join us for the class. We're going to have fun. Thank you.